Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi. I'm a Nigerian based in Istanbul, Turkey. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Anyway, today's video, Happy New Year, guys. Yes, this is 2021. Everybody just move in quietly. Don't make noise, don't touch anything. Let's just go and take our seat in peace, okay? Anyway, Happy New Year, guys. Yeah, this year is going to be plentiful for us. I wish everyone the best. We're going to achieve the best we can this year. Amen to that. Anyway, guys, so today's video, I want to do a New Year look, but I decided to add a twist to it because I noticed I did a New Year look last year or 2 years ago. So I decided to add a twist to it. I'm going to recreate my first makeup video, which was coincidentally a New Year look because I started my YouTube channel 4 years ago. Wow. And I just noticed that I posted only like 2 videos that year. That was like 2017. Anyway, so I'll just be recreating my first YouTube videos. I'll be my first YouTube video. So yeah, if you want to see how it goes, let us get started. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and also tell me your New Year goals because I actually haven't even written mine at the day of filming this. This is 29th December. I'm just waiting to just enter the 1st of January, then plan. But yeah, let me know what your New Year goals are and let's just get into the video. Bye.
Give me the light, give me that push, give me the bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that blow my mind, give me that thing.
So I'm just trying to like look at the first video and see how it went. Oh, hi. Okay, the first thing I did was to prep my eyes with a concealer. I'll be using the ColourPop concealers just to prep my eyelids for my eyeshadow. So after blending, the next thing I did was to set it with a white transparent powder, but I don't have the S-Pom powder anymore. So I'll be using my Ezekiel powder palette, taking this white shade here, and I'm just going to use that to like set my concealer. I think this was the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I don't have that anymore, so I went in with like a flesh tone color. That should be like your transition color. So I'll be using my Sigma Warm Neutral palette and I'll take this brown shade here. I'm just applying that as my transition. So this is how we used to do our eyeshadow at that period. This is how I learned how to do my eyeshadow before the Instagram trend started, that you do your crease color, then go with another lighter color, then go to your transition shade. But the normal way to do like your eyeshadow should be like your transition shade. It should be like close to your skin color, like not too dark, not too bright, just something to use to blend everything in. Then I think I went in with like, I don't know if to call it a brown shade or a mini brown orange shade. So I wanted to go for a halo look, like those ones that have like just the middle will be popping. So yeah, I'll just take this brown shade and apply it on my outer and inner corners of my eyes. Just stamp it in first. Pack in as much color as you can. Then blend it. When you blend it, you're just blending it to like connect it together, not necessarily blending everything out. You can see here is like left out. Most of the colors are like saturated at the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Ngane, I hope you understand. So I'll do for the other eyes. Pack it in, pack here in, then blend it to connect it. Then we're going again with that transition shade and just blend everything out. So I wanted to like deepen my inner and outer parts of my eyes. That's like this side and this side. I wanted to deepen it, but I don't know what color that I went with. What was I thinking? Because that color is not going to do anything. It literally didn't even change anything. But yeah, I just think we'll just add a color to it. So the color I used was like a lighter brown, and I don't have any here. So I will just use this brown shade here. So you just pack it in, tap, 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 then connect them together. Connect together. Use your blending brush, your first transition brush, and blend it together. So I'll be using the Color Pop Through My Eyes palette, and I'll be taking this purple shade here. So I'll just pack that in my outer and inner eyes, pack that in. Then I'm going to cut my lid. I'll also go in with like the purple shade that I used. Just tap that in and blend out. As you can see, it's leaving like a small space in between. I set my concealer with like a translucent powder. So I'll be using the Ezekiel white powder to set that. Just going to slightly tap on it just to set the concealer so it doesn't crease. Put your liner first before the glitter, because glitters, especially the chunky ones, is going to be like bumpy. So I suggest you put your liner first before you do like your glitter. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be using my NYX glitter primer. So I'm just going to apply my glitter primer on the concealer, like that case that I cut already. So I have this pigment. I don't know if it's going to work, but let me see if it does. Because I no longer have the glitter that I used. I'll use this glitter. It's like orangey something. I'll just pop that on top. So my lashes are on. Let's see what next. Ah, that was way too fast. Okay, calm down. Where are you running to? So I applied my face primer. So I used the LA Girl concealer, but I don't have it anymore. So I'll be using my NYX Can't Stop Mint Top face primer. This name is always funny, Can't Stop. I'll be applying my face primer all over my face. And the next thing I did, I color corrected. So I'll use my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I still use the same color corrector. Then I applied my foundation. I don't have those foundations anymore because, yeah, as you can see, they were so light. So I'll be using my NYX Radiant Foundation. Just take a few pumps. As you can see, the difference is real. Like, see the white foundation I was rubbing compared to now. So as you can see, this foundation is like way better. Okay, now I'm applying concealer. Oh wow, I'm so fast. I'm so sorry guys, I don't understand what you mean that the tutorials are like too fast, you can't learn from YouTube, because me watching this thing now, I'm just like and it was like my first YouTube video, so I didn't want the video to be like way too long, so that is why I had to like hasten it. I wanted the video to, this video is 6 minutes. If I had done all that, it would be probably like 9 minutes or so, and I was just starting out, so I'm sorry. And I applied my setting powder. I used the S1 powder, but I no longer have it, so I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty setting powder. I contoured my face with concealer. I don't have a dark shade of concealer anymore. I'm just going to be using my Ezekiel powder palette. Take this one and just contour my face. Then I'll be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder. This one, I'll just use it to take away the powderness of my face. Then the next thing I did was to line my waterline, and I'll be using the Maybelline Kajal. This one, it's in black. It's like a twist-up pen thing. I smoked out my lower lash line, dark brown first that I used. I want something to like pop the eyelid. I'll take this shimmer shade here and just pop that on my inner corners. It doesn't show where I applied my blush or applied highlighter. I really don't know what was going on here. So I'm just going to apply my blush. Today I'll be using this palette because I don't want to be stressed. So I'll just smile. For highlighter, I'll be using the Gerald Cosmetics highlighter in Dirty. I'll be highlighting where I normally highlight my cupid's bow, my cheeks. Like, this highlighter is so So to take away all the powderiness, I'm going to set my face with the Gerald setting spray. This one. Just wipe off and use my eye pencil as my lip liner. So I went in with the purple shade. I actually have like the particular shade I use. Sleek Matte Lip Cream. This is how it looks like. So guys, this is the final look. I don't have braids on. I actually don't even have enough hair, but yeah, this is the final look compared to this. First off, I'm so grateful for the way my skin has improved. Like, wow. My skills, on the other hand, has also improved. My YouTube has improved because I didn't even talk in that video. It was more like a sped up video where I didn't even say is. I don't normally watch my videos like after posting them because I don't like hearing my voice. I'm actually not going anywhere because for we that are in Turkey, there is a lockdown from 31st of December to 4th of January, so no New Year celebration. I'm probably just going to be on my bed and drink wine and make chin chin, because I didn't make chin chin this Christmas, so I'm gonna make chin chin and just chill. But yeah, please make sure you share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Happy New Year, guys.